In this video, we're going to cover one of the more common errors that you'll see in Flxpoint, and that is a broken link. So we see that this order was put on hold right when it came in, and we see that it has this broken link icon. Now, what this means is that this product does not exist on this channel, Shopify, within Flxpoint. So we can tell this because if we quickly go to our channel listings, and we search this SKU, we see that it's not available. Now, you can link products based on UPC or other unique identifiers. So it could be that the UPC on your sales channel, say Shopify, maybe for some reason for this product specifically, a number got deleted off the end, so it's not matching. And the same could be with the SKU, it's not matching. So once we've confirmed that, we have a few ways that we can resolve this. The first is if we just need to quickly get this order out and we know that it does exist, if we quickly search, we see we do have it existing, but it's not linked to a sales channel, then what we can do is we can quickly just place a manual PO, put in a PO number, tell it which source it's going to, choose the shipping method, select the item. In this case, we want to make sure it's the SKU that the supplier is looking for or the source. So we'll say it doesn't have our SKU prefix and that our cost is $19.99. We'll label it waffle and we ordered 2 of these. We can quickly hit generate create PO. And then once that's done, we can process it. And now we know that on our next job, it's going to send this to our supplier or our source. The other way that we can fix this once we've got our order placed to make sure that it doesn't occur for this item again is we need to add this to our sales channel Shopify. To do this, we'll go to our products and we'll select the item. We'll select create listings to the channel we need it to go on, in this case Shopify. And we're telling it to link based on UPC to what is also known as Shopify's barcode. We're going to hit create listings. And when that completes, we'll now see that it's linked here and it's now available on our listings page. So now we would need to go ahead and relink these products so that it will arrive. So we'll go over here and we'll hit relink listings on Shopify. And we see this one new item needs to be linked up and we'll click run. And now that that's completed, we'll go back to the order. And we can click on this broken link and we see that it's now fixed. So any orders moving forward that come in from Shopify for this SKU and UPC combination will now no longer come in as a broken link. That's how you can fix broken links, and thank you for watching.